Greetings! Are you struggling to read subtitles over bright or busy scenes? Learn the PotPlayer's opaque box feature for clarity. Right-click in the player. Go to the Subtitles. Select Use Opaque Box Border Style. The subtitles will have a background color for improved readability. To change the opaque box color, right-click in the player and choose Preferences. From the left, expand Subtitles. Click Font Style. In the opaque box section, change the background color. Set the opacity value for a better view of the subtitles. Click Apply and OK.